Oh, wait. I want this to be you. Hey!
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
Good.
What kind of materials do we need? I can grab them now.
It's a variety of experiments, but maybe the one Alyssa might want to join in is like cornstarch, water, and food coloring.
Okay.
And then some of them you just maybe want to take notes and try them.
Okay.
At a later time. I don't think you want to do Coca-Cola rockets in your house, okay, Mira? I mean, Arctic Panda.
And we don't have Coca-Cola, so we're good.
Yeah, like that's what we figured. But cornstarch, water, and you can have food coloring or not. Hey, Lucy.
Hi.
All right.
Cornstarch. Do we have cornstarch?
Well, we've got a few more seconds here. You want to count it down, Arctic Panda?
It's only 10:59.
Let's see. We've got 1 minute left. Maybe some people are still signing in. How are you doing? So nice to see you.
I'm doing good.
Yeah. You like pandas too, don't you? Panda! Panda! All right, it's 11. Let's begin.
Begin?
We begin. It's 11.
Hello. I'm the Arctic Panda. And today we're gonna be doing science. Okay. First, we're gonna have a word about safety before we start doing the science experiments. Because science sometimes can be dangerous. So, yes, that's. So, if you're a kid, you will need parent supervision or parent help. So, yeah. And some stuff might be hot. They might need oven mitts or something like that. Okay. And eye protection is important too. Yes, eye protection. And you can use sunglasses.
Safe way to actually go, okay, what are the questions here?
Wind goggles. Stuff like that you can use to protect your eyes. Okay, and now our first science experiment, we're gonna be doing massive standing soap. Okay, you should only do this with ivory soap, okay? Don't try this with any other soap except ivory soap, okay? Because something could go wrong, okay? So never try it with something else, just ivory soap. Okay. So what you need for this experiment is a bar, 1 bar of ivory soap, a big bowl, and a microwave. Okay, so what you do is you take the paper off the ivory soap.
Good, good. And that good, good.
Okay, so here's the bar of ivory soap. And then you put it in a big bowl. Okay. And you open the microwave. And you put the bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay.
This open like ivory
That's
soap.
2 minutes. And start.
Big.
Okay, so what do you think will happen when we put the soap in the microwave? Do you think it'll melt? Do you think it will get super dry? Do you think it'll shrink? Do you think it'll get super big? Let's look.
Yeah.
What's happening? I can't see.
It's getting bigger.
I can't see. Getting bigger. Ooh, this is gonna be cool. I can't really see it. Oh, it's getting big. And only 1 minute has went past, and it's already that big. Okay. Whoa, that's big. And remember, that started off as a tiny bar of soap, and now it's big and fluffy. Ah! Okay. 25 seconds left. Oh my God.
Oh, it's so big.
This was bigger than the one yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh,
7 seconds. Count it down. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. This is gonna be
you hold
hot.
this. I'll take it
So
out.
you should use some oven mitts.
This is
Okay.
where parent help is needed.
Yes.
Et voila.
Hello. So cool, right?
And
Yeah.
it's very hot, so you don't want to touch
Yeah.
it. So
Use
we'll set
some
it here.
oven mitts. Use oven mitts, and you will probably need a parent's help. And later, once it cools down for 2 minutes, you can play with it, but it will shrink back into a tiny thing
And be fluffy.
and be fluffy. Yes. Now it's time for a joke. Okay. So, I saw a bee yesterday, and its hair was super sticky. And I asked him, "Hey bee, why is your hair so sticky?" And he said, "Because I used the honeycomb." But okay. So now we're gonna go outside for the next experiment. Okay. So
You carry this.
we're going outside, going outside. Hello, new people. Hello. Going outside. Hello. Hey. I don't know.
Going. That candle's lit here. Just an FYI. And hot water when you need it. Okay.
Need hot water?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I do.
All right.
Okay. So for the next thing, we're gonna be making a lava lamp. So for the lava lamp, you'll need vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and So there's fizzing tablets. Yes, and yeah. And a jar or a plastic bottle. Us, we're using a mason jar. A mason jar works. So, and the mason jar, it's pretty handy because it has little lines. So we will need measurements. So this is a good jar to use. If you have a jar like that, I recommend it. You should use that type of jar. Okay, so you start by putting the water in. You fill your whatever cup or jar you're using up a quarter full. So, oh, there we go. Woo! How much water? Maybe about that much water. A little more. Okay. I think that's a little more than a quarter, but that's fine. And next, you need to have some vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, yes. And the vegetable oil and the water, you'll have to wait. You might have to wait a couple minutes for them to separate. You want them to separate. Okay. You don't have to fill it up full because you might want to save some vegetable oil. And now it's separating. Yeah. It's separating. Okay. So, see? It's separating. Yeah. Okay, and once it's fully separated, you can add some food dye. What color should I do it? I'm thinking maybe purple. Okay, just move that side. Purple or pink, I'm not sure. That might be pink or purple. Okay. Squeeze a couple drops. Ooh, bring a little bit everywhere. Okay. And soon the drops will move down in between the vegetable oil and the water. Okay? So science, sometimes it takes time. So we'll have to wait a couple minutes for that to happen. And then we can put the Alka-Seltzer tablet, whatever that's called. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so I'm going to start. Well, first, I think this one, it's already open, so I'm going to use this one. You have to split one of the tablets in half. Okay, but one of the drops is in between now. Okay, so you split it in half, and now we can wait. Waiting, 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 waiting. Sometimes it takes a while. It's snowing! Okay. Yellow on the top and see-through on the bottom.
Remember we talked about the temperature might affect science?
Yeah.
Minus 14 degrees outside.
Maybe we should just, yeah.
We have this one already made, so why don't you draw up a half tablet in this one?
Yeah. This one, we did exactly that, but we dropped half a tablet already. So I think we're just going to drop the other half of a tablet and see what happens with that one. This one, we made it turquoise. This one we did inside. So if you're doing these science experiments outside, the temperature could affect them because sometimes your science experiments don't always work. So let's see what happens. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Okay. See, now it's getting all bubbly, and I recommend to put the cap or the lid back on top.
Take it to the camera and show them.
Okay. And if you want, you can have like a flashlight and be in a dark room, then shine a flashlight through the bottom and it'll look really cool. That's so cool. Right? Yeah. There's a little tablet at the bottom that's fizzing. Yeah. I'm mixing it a little bit. Okay.
Here, we'll put it here so people can keep watching.
Okay. So,
That's the
yeah, now we're going to put that aside and move on to another science experiment. There's another half a tablet there. Just, yeah. Can use that later, maybe. Okay. So, now it's time for another joke. This is a tornado joke. So, what is a tornado's favorite game to play? Twister. Okay. And now, for our next experiment, we're gonna make a tornado in a glass. Okay, so thank you. So for this, you're gonna need water and food coloring. That's it. Okay.
maybe I'll stay close to help a bit. That's probably good.
Yep, that's
And-
good.
And if you're outside and you put a little too much, you just pour it out, give it back to the earth. There we go.
Okay.
You want to do the food coloring? Mix, mix, mix.
You mix it so it makes like a tornado, and then mix it. What color should we do it?
What color? See, we have
I'm
blue,
thinking,
we have green.
how about we do green? How about we mix it a little bit more?
Yeah, do you want me to mix and you do the food coloring? How about that?
we do that?
So this is where having help at home with a brother or sister or an adult. So mix it really well, get the food coloring ready to go,
Okay.
and drop it in. And there, take it to the camera and show them. Oh, not really. Did
Wow.
not work like yesterday. That's
Now
funny.
we have colored water. Bravo.
I think that's yet again another experiment where the temperature is affecting it. So,
Yes.
do you want to explain to people what normally would happen?
Okay, so normally it'd be spinning really fast in a circle like that, like a tornado, and then you add food coloring, and the food coloring will spin like a tornado, but this time, because of the temperature, the food coloring, it just sunk, and then it made the water green. So normally it makes a tornado, but another thing that the temperature changed. Okay. So next, this is an experiment that you will need an adult's help. It's because it does use matches, so you will need help with this. So this is an egg vacuum.
So let's just get rid of this. Oh, let's. Yay!
Egg vacuum. Okay, so you need a jar. It works the best with a Snapple jar. But you can experiment with other types of jars and stuff and yeah. And you need matches. So you will need a parent's help with this experiment. And you need a hard-boiled egg that's peeled. Are these peeled?
Yep.
Okay. These are peeled. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna just take my gloves off for this experiment. And after, you can't eat the hard-boiled egg, sadly. Okay. So even I need help with this experiment, lighting the match. So my mom, my assistant here, is gonna light the match and put it in there. And once the flame is still there, don't use a whole bunch. No.
Just only one? You want to try only
No,
one?
just two.
It's cold.
Just two.
All right.
That's what Papa does.
But we were inside.
Yeah.
We have to warm this now. Can we experiment?
Yes.
Okay. So my prediction is that we have to use more matches because the bottle's cold.
Because we're outside.
And it's 14 degrees in Yellowknife and it's still snowing. And a little helper for lighting matches. We already have a lit candle. Here we go.
Okay.
And predictions. You have any predictions? Oh, go show them. You can hold it. It's not hot. Just don't touch the bottom necessarily. There you go.
Okay, so it sets the egg in. That's why we call it an egg vacuum. And now we'll have to experiment with getting the egg out later. Yes. So now the egg is stuck in there. So yeah. So that is a very cool experiment that you can do at home, but will need a parent's help with that if you're a kid. Just putting my gloves on because my hands are cold out here. Okay. Okay, now we're doing the storm in a glass. Okay, so for a storm in a glass, you need a glass, obviously. A glass, some water. I don't have that much water. And some shaving cream and some food dye. Important to shake the shaving cream before. So what this is, it's like the shaving cream will be like a cloud. The water, we just pretend it's nothing at the bottom. And then we start spooning. You will need a spoon too. You start spooning some water with food dye. We have red food dye in water. And then eventually it will become like rain because the cloud, it becomes so full and then it rains or snows or something like that. So, yeah, it's just like that. So, you start. I wonder what will happen I think that might be a little too much water. And like my assistant said, if you put too much water, you can just give it back to the food. Oh, there, that's perfect. Okay, so you fill it up a little bit with water, and then you have to leave an empty space up off the top. There's a safety cap on the shaving cream. Okay, so you mix the shaving cream that last night I by accidentally called whipped cream. But do not eat this. It's not whipped cream, okay? Just making sure you know that. So now you add it and it expands. So don't add too much because you can always add more. And I guess you can take less, but that's wasteful a little bit. So you can always add more. Just beware of that. So now I need a spoon to smooth it out.
Right in front of the Alka-Seltzer tablets. Oh, no worries. Your assistant is here to help.
Okay. This? I can use one of these?
This spoon right here.
Very. Smooth it out. Mix it a little bit and smooth it out. Smooth it out. And you have to leave a space at the top empty. Okay. Where should I? Okay. And now, assistant, can you open that
You bet.
for me?
You bet.
Thank you.
And there's a cloth right here. So you want to wipe off your spoon. It's on really tight. There we go. So do you want to tell them what's in here?
It's just water with food dye. And now I wonder what will happen if we put the water and the food dye on top. Will the food dye mix with the shaving cream and just make red shaving cream? Will it go down to the bottom and make something super cool? Who knows? Let's experiment. Okay. And add it spoonful by spoonful. Ooh, look at what's happening at the bottom. Let's see what happens if I add one more spoonful. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Maybe add a couple more spoonfuls and it looks super cool. So this is just showing like that it's raining. Sort of. Because the shaving cream is the cloud and it's raining. This is the storm in a glass. Okay, so now it's time for another job. So chemistry, it's just like cooking, except you just can't lick the spoon in chemistry. Okay, that's funny. Okay, so next we're going to be doing some magic glue. This, the people watching can probably do it because you guys probably have cornstarch and food dye and water. Us, we have a big box of cornstarch, a container, and some water. Okay. So first you add the water. No, first you add the cornstarch. My assistant is gonna open.
Always available.
the
Always.
start. Thank you, my assistant.
There you go, Arctic Panda.
Okay, now how much should we add? Should we make a big thing of magic goo?
I think so.
Small?
I think so.
I think we should go big.
I think maybe I'll run in and grab more water, but you can use what's in here.
Okay, so why do you think we call this magic goo? Because when you mix both of them together, and then if it's good and you hit it, then it'll be hard. But then you slowly put your hand in and it just sinks in. So that's why we call it magic goo. I'm going to use this to stir because I don't want to make my hands messy. Need some more water. But you don't want to add too much water.
You can also add this one. It's already covered.
Oh yeah, let's add some of this because we already did the experiment. So, ooh, now it's gonna be red and it's gonna look cool. I think the temperature is affecting this one too. Why does it have to be cold?
Do you want a little help from an adult hand now?
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
All right.
I'm just gonna go dust myself off.
All right, so Arctic Panda, do you find when you do this in the kitchen, do you find using a tool better or using your hand better?
Hand.
So maybe let's get in there
Yeah.
with our hand and start to mix. And we'll add some more water.
How about I add the ingredients and you mix?
And
Do you think that's a good?
there we go.
I think that's a little too liquidy.
No, I think we need to. Oh, there we go.
I think the temperature affected this experiment too.
Here we go. I got warm water when I was in the kitchen. But here we go. So let's go closer to the camera. How much powder did you add? Add some more.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So this one you can estimate
Yeah.
until you get the right consistency.
Yep.
Some more.
This one, it can be messy.
Some more. Let's go. Yeah, a lot. There we go. A little bit more. And so it's all about, do that.
Oh, that's a lot.
It seems like a lot, but you're right.
It's
I
not.
did add a lot of water.
Yeah.
I think it's getting,
It's getting there.
yeah, add another big chunk. Because this one we can't pour out on the ground, right?
Yeah. I think it's good.
I think one more. See, it's just a little too oozy.
No, it's supposed to
Do you
be
think?
easy like that.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I think you're right, Arctic Panda. All right. Shall we go close to the camera and show?
Okay, I want
My
to try
hand,
hitting it.
your genius. Okay, so here, I'll just
Can I try?
show
Okay,
everyone how
So look,
oozy.
it's oozy. Now the Arctic Panda is gonna hit it, and it's gonna get hard.
Make a prediction. Am I going to get messy when she hits it? What do you think is going to happen?
Okay.
All right, so let's let it flatten out. And hit
Please.
flat. And take your hand out. You see that? It
It's hard.
doesn't come out, but it looks like liquid.
Okay, can I try hitting it again?
Yeah.
What's happening? It's not splashing in my mom's face. What?
And yet, look. It still looks like liquid.
Wow. Okay, I need to wash my hands. Okay. Well, that is cool. Okay. Now, for our next experiment, it will be pretty messy. Just saying. And for the next experiment, I will need help from my assistant. My assistant's just showing our audience, I guess. Okay, so for our next experiment, we're making elephant toothpaste.
Yes. Yes, we are.
This can be messy. Beware, they can be messy. Okay, so for this, you need some liquid dish soap, some hydrogen peroxide. You will need your parents' help for this one too.
Yep. And
Yeast. You need yeast, and this is the stuff that makes it explode. Okay, so we add this last. Okay.
but first, why don't you tell them what this is?
Oh,
And-
okay.
and
That's
I'll-
really cool.
Mix up the yeast with the hot water.
Okay, so this here, it's a pop can before they inflate it into a pop can. So it's just a little tube. Yes. Oh. Okay. Now you mix the yeast with a little bit of hot water, and then
Yep.
and the first
If they want to follow along
Yep.
at home, 1 teaspoon
one teaspoon of yeast,
with about 2 tablespoons of hot
water,
water, warm water.
warm. Yeah, not hot, but warm.
You can just swirl it around and then set it aside.
Okay, so now we're gonna add some hydrogen peroxide, and this can be messy.
And also, this is a good one to get parents to help with,
Yes.
hydrogen peroxide, and do it over a container where it's okay if it spills. So do you want to pass me the blue or the purple bowl? Thank you, just this. Thank you. Okay.
Well, goes back in there.
All right, there was just a little water in there from when we tested this yesterday. So we'll
Add-
fill it. How full, Arctic Panda?
Good.
About half full.
Yep. And then one big squirt.
That's the wrong lid. This is the
Haha,
right lid.
That's funny.
Okay.
Okay. So you add some liquid dish soap, one big squirt. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. One big squirt.
That's good.
Good.
And then do you want to go swirl that around in front of the camera?
Sure.
Put the lid on?
And after, once we add the yeast, this will become elephant toothpaste. And it will get like really like oozy and like cool. Ooh. It's green because of the dish soap right now, but we're gonna probably add some food coloring, right, my assistant?
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
We could definitely.
So let's add some food coloring.
All right. You open that up.
Blue.
Blue seems like a good color for outside. Oh, there's a bubble there. Let's pop it. Oh, how many drops?
I
About
think
3.
that's good.
Okay. You want to go swirl it up again?
Okay, put the lid back on and swirl it up again. Ooh, see, now it's a nice blue. Ooh, but there's still some green at the bottom because of the dish soap. Ooh, this is gonna be cool. So now I want you guys to think what you think will happen once we add the yeast.
Good prediction. Do you want me to add the yeast right there? I can bring it right there.
Yeah, but this is gonna be messy.
Oh, we'll put it in here.
Okay.
We'll clear a spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Come back on camera. Here you go.
Lid's not fully tightened.
All right, let's make sure. Do you want to hold it or you want me to?
You.
Okay. So again,
Okay.
someone can help.
You probably want to pull your sleeves
Oh, that's okay. Do you want to go stand over there so you're on camera?
down. Okay.
Here we go. So do you have your prediction? Do you think nothing's going to happen? Do you think something's going to happen?
It might be changed because of the weather.
Here we go.
Who
See
knows?
what happens.
And that's elephant toothpaste.
And that is going to keep fizzing for how long, Arctic Panda?
I don't know.
We'll have to find out. We will set it over here.
Okay. Now this is the last one, but the most explosive thing. Okay. Okay. Are you gonna help me with this one?
Yeah, do you want to tell them what it is, Arctic Panda?
It's a Coke rocket. So it's going to explode like whoosh. It's gonna be super cool. So we have one big bottle of Coke. I need help opening the bottle. of
You
Coke,
bet.
please. And you also need Mentos. And you don't need one of these things, but we are using one of these things just because it's easier for us.
Okay. I think, do you want to load that up first so we don't spill the Coke?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sort of scared.
So this is important, isn't it, Arctic Panda?
Yes.
What is that?
This is a peg that keeps the Mentos from falling out, from falling down. So now we're just going to take, I need some help from my assistant. She's going to take the lid off. That lid. I'm sort of worried.
You want to make some predictions? Is this one that we tested to see how it worked?
No.
No. How many Mentos is that? Okay, 1,
One.
2. Whoops, I'll pick that one up in a second. 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I think 10's good.
Oh.
Oh God, I'm scared. How about I hold the peg in?
All right.
Okay.
You want to go show them? It's all loaded?
It's all
Show them the
loaded.
safety.
Loaded. And you have to keep the peg in or else they will all fall and then, yeah, and there's a string, so we're gonna step back and then we're gonna pull the string and then all the Mentos are gonna fall and it's gonna make like a big, like, explosion, sort of. So me and my mom are gonna have to run away as fast as we can. Okay. My assistant is gonna come and help me now.
Oh, just wait. We just got some feedback about moving the camera. So, okay. So this is this ginger ale?
No,
No, what is this?
it's Coca-Cola.
It's cola. That's right. And this part we have to be careful because if the safety comes out, we're going to get wet.
And sprayed with Coca-Cola.
So the string gives us time to move, and we have a launch pad. So we'll move the camera with us when we're launching. Yeah, keep moving the string around. Very exciting. There we go, keep that. Okay. Can everybody see okay?
I'm scared. Am I pulling the string?
I think you should, but not here. We're gonna go over there to the launch pad, okay? Because this, what do we think is gonna happen? You wanna talk about predictions?
Okay, honestly, I think it's gonna, all the Coca-Cola is gonna spray up and hit everybody in the face with Coca-Cola. Yep. And I think my dog is gonna be sprayed with Coca-Cola and is gonna be brown. And after we're gonna have to give her a bath. That's what I think. Okay.
Has
So
everybody
I
made
carried
their
it over to the
predictions?
launch pad.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grab it so the peg doesn't come out, because then if it does, I'm gonna be in big trouble.
And I'll grab this.
I think I might lose.
Do you need some help?
No, I got it. I'm scared.
Okay. Set it down. All right, let's make sure everyone can see. Just wait, sorry. We're gonna move this so you can pull this. Sorry, I know we're moving around a lot, but don't pull that yet. You're gonna pull and you're gonna run, but not yet. You gotta make sure everyone can see. So this is a little tricky because I don't want to get wet either. So if all of a sudden it goes off camera, it's because I ran. All right. No, not yet.
I want to pull it.
What about predictions? Yeah, you should maybe get down on a knee and pull. You're gonna pull it out gently. So can everybody
and then it's
see?
gonna spray out.
Do we want to do a countdown?
Okay.
From 5 maybe?
5, 4, 3. Wait, are you ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. And there we go. Good. All right. Come back over here.
Okay. Wait, Mom, did you get that on video on my phone too?
I think so. We'll find out.
And I can shorten the video.
And make sure everyone can see you.
Okay, so if you want to see more of the Arctic Panda, you can go on Instagram or Facebook and follow me at Arctic Panda NWT. So
cold the Orbeez froze.
and we were gonna play with Orbeez, but they froze because of the cold temperatures. You can, yeah. Everything was kind of a little bit disappointing because of the weather.
So temperature maybe plays a part in science.
Yeah.
Do you want to review what you made?
Okay, so how about we check on our lava lamp now? Because we didn't check on it. And now this lava lamp, it's all done. We just need to shine a flashlight through it. And we added 2 fizzy tablets.
And then this is the one that we made outside.
But the temperature changed it. The drop is still at the top. So we also made a storm in a glass. Storm in a glass. We made elephant toothpaste. Elephant toothpaste. And we also, what else did we make?
The goo.
Yeah, the goo that is right there. My assistant is grabbing the magic goo.
That may also be freezing. Look at how slow it's moving now.
Yeah, I think
That's
it's
so
freezing.
Oh. It's kind of fun just to watch it ooze around though. Look at it go. And you can play with your hands.
Mom. Okay. Well, now I just want to say thank you for everybody for joining us. Messy Cho and bye. I hope you have a good day, and I hope you can try most of these super cool experiments.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for playing.
Woohoo! Now, I gotta admit, this was really fun.
All right, do you want to dance it out? Yeah, it's down there.
Still lots of